Hello folks, only me from Mickey's Mopeds, and today on the workbench I've got a 1968 Suzuki Sportsman 50cc. I've had it in the workshop here because the battery wasn't fitted properly, so it was just rattling around in the frame, which wasn't very good. So I've got it in the right position now and made a little bracket to hold it in, but it belongs to a friend of mine. And I thought, while it's here, we do a quick walk round and hopefully a little ride out up the road and back for this video. So let's have a look. There she is. Quite a tidy little thing. I don't know any of the history of it. Looking at it, it has been painted. It's not the original paint. It's got newish tyres on it. Because the date says 20, so 2020 tyres, so someone's been doing a little bit of work on it. It's been sort of polished up and cleaned up here and there. The old front registration plate is missing now. Someone didn't like that. I would have kept that on. It's got a halogen bulb, which is very bright when it's running. Well, that's it really. The bars are, yeah, I think the bars are original. They've been sort of polished up. And the seat, I would say, is possibly the original seat. You can just about see Suzuki written on the back there. So, there it is. I don't know what else to zoom in on. We'll get her running and do a little run up the road and back. There we go. She's quite a nice little machine. I'm guessing it's the predecessor to the Suzuki A50, which was a nice little bike. And of course, they made them AP50s in the UK because we had to have pedals fitted to them. But yeah, this one, as far as I know, has been in the UK all its life. That's what I'm told anyway. Right, so we'll get her out on the road. So here we are, ready for a run. It's cold. I've never started it from cold. We never started it at all. So I think we've got fuel there. And on the bars here, I'll show you actually if you come around with the old camera. Just sort of keeping it low. There's a choke, and it says start that way. And then when it's running, you go that way. And there's a nice little speedo which we haven't had on film yet. Just swing it around. And, dainty little thing. Right, so let's start it up. Well, hopefully, got the ignition on. Starting all right. Another go.
Who soon we have a problem?
I think it might have been in the wrong gear. I'm not sure where the gears are on it. Whether they're one down and the rest up, or perhaps they're all down. It might be all down. That would make sense. So, oh no. It's all part of the learning curve, isn't it? Right, I think that's it. Let's have another go. actually alright, it's quite pokey.
It's very smoky.
Yeah, it is a bit smoky. I wonder whether the crank seals have gone a little bit. It did seem very smoky. So on these 2 strokes, you get the crank seals, and if the crank seal's gone, it'll be going from the gearbox, which is this side, the gearbox into the inside the crankcase, and it'll get burnt off. And I think maybe that's what's happening. But it seems pokey enough. It may just be it's mixed up wrong in the tank. But yeah, that's okay. So that's it. Bye for now.